Are you looking to save money on your next round of golf? Then consider a golf bag cooler by Caddy Golf. Our golf bag coolers are designed to fit inside your golf bag's accessory pocket so you can pack your beverages at home. This allows for big savings at the course. Our coolers are designed with a thick foam insulation to keep your beverages ice cold for a full round. They even come with an ice pack koozie. You can even use regular ice with our large horseshoe opening. Unlike those other guys that have full-length zippers that allow melted ice to ruin your golf bag. If you want to save money, get a great cooler for your next golf game, picnic, or outdoor event, consider golf bag coolers by Caddy Golf. By the way, they also hold 2 bottles of wine.
Introducing MCNICK's Co. & Company, the perfect fit golf cart cooler bag caddy. It's laser measured to fit the golf cart basket exactly. It will hold over 18 12-ounce cans with ice. Made of high-quality insulated material, this cooler bag will keep your drinks cool for a long time. It zips up to ensure all-around insulation. It has a carry strap as well to transport the cooler bag from your car to your cart. Made to be discreet, the golf starter won't even know it's there.